Alright, solving right triangles. You're going to be given various scenarios where you're going to be using our friend SOHCAHTOA a lot, and along with a couple other little tricks along the way. So let's do some basic stuff here. We want to find what side C is based off the information given to you. We have the opposite side of the angle given, and we need to find the hypotenuse. So opposite hypotenuse, you're thinking sine right away. So we're going to use sine of 34 is equal to 22 over c. Anytime the unknown's in the denominator, we're gonna swap these two. So we c is equal to 22 over sine 34. If you don't like seeing it that way, if you multiply c and then divide by sine 34, you're gonna get the same thing. Which means c is equal to 41.58. We're in meters, so we'll do meters. There we go. So in this case, we need to find an angle. We're given two sides. We don't know what an angle is. So let's draw a triangle. C is always going to be our hypotenuse side. So that's 45.54 feet. A, we can make whichever one we want as long as we know that capital A is here and lowercase, or sorry, capital B is right there. So I want to find B, and I've got the adjacent and the hypotenuse, so that's cosine. So cosine of B is equal to the adjacent 23.32 over 45.54. We put that in our calculator. Well, in order to get that, we need to get cosine out of here, so it's going to be B equals inverse cosine of this fraction, which will be 59.20 degrees, and that's it. Alright, so we got like a triangle partially inside a circle here. I'm giving you what r is, and that's 12. That's the radius. We know that a is equal to 31 degrees, but we don't know what x is, so we're going to solve for that. So if I am giving you angle A being right here, I'm giving you the opposites, and we need to find something with the hypotenuse. So that's clearly sine. Sine of 31 is equal to the opposite, which is 12, over 12 plus whatever x is. We got to use some algebra here. Let's multiply both sides by 12 plus x. 12 plus x, parentheses, sine of 31 is equal to 12. Divide by sine of 31. That's going to be 12 plus x is equal to 12 over sine of 31. And then we'll subtract 12, whatever that is. So go ahead and put 12 sine 31 in your calculator, and then subtract 12, and that will get you what x is, which comes out to be 11. And there's our solution. Okay, so we got a lot going on here with this two triangle problem. We got two triangles. One, this is letter D, by the way. That looks like a P. This right here is D. I'm giving you angle A is 41 degrees. BDC, so BDC is 58. So that little portion is 58. And then AB is 28. AB is 28. I'm going to label that 28. And we need to find what H is, which is fairly probably the easiest part of this. So if I know angle A is 41 degrees, and I don't know H. I don't know why I put degrees right here. Just realized that should not be 28 degrees. That's the side. Back to it. Sine 41. 28 is the hypotenuse, and we need to find what the opposite is. So which is why we use sine. So h over 28. So 28 sine 41 is equal to h, which will get you. I'll get you 18. Now time for finding x. And in order to find x, there's a little bit more to it than this. So I need to find, or actually, I know since this degree right here, we know it's 58, and I know what h is now, which is 18, and I just need to find the adjacent, so we're going to use tan. Tan of the opposite, tan of 58, is equal to the opposite 18 over, I don't know, x. So swap them. X is equal to 18 over tan 58, which will get you 11. X is equal to 11. So these solutions are 11 and 18. And that's it. We'll do some practice on this during class. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.